Hey, it's Theo, and thank you for joining me for this listening with intention meditation practice. For many of us, the constant distractions in our lives have eroded our ability to listen with undivided attention. In this mindfulness practice, we aim to reconnect with the art of listening. We set a gentle intention to tune into the sounds that envelop us, both from the external world and those arising from within us. Instead of approaching this practice with preconceived notions, we embrace it with a genuine sense of presence and without any judgment towards what we hear or experience. Let's get started. Begin by finding a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without any interruptions. If you like, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Notice the places where the body touches the ground. Take a moment to notice how your body feels. Now bring your attention to the natural flow of your breath. You don't need to alter your breath in any way. Your body knows how to breathe. When you notice feelings, judgments, body sensations, or even future plans cross your awareness, know that this is common. Just be at rest with what is. The idea is to not judge yourself or the content of your thoughts and feelings. Just return to the breath, being kind to how you are feeling. Notice each breath coming into the body as you inhale and leaving the body as you exhale. Now place your intention on the experience of hearing, allowing sounds to come and go, just like the breath comes and goes. Stretch your listening ears to the farthest sounds you can hear. Notice these sounds as they appear, linger, and fade away. Gradually begin to focus your listening ears on more immediate sounds. Notice these sounds as they appear, linger, and vanish without judging the content of your thoughts and sensations. Just be with the immediate sounds you are listening to. Now bring your attention to the sound of your own breath. Let the sounds that you hear from within be the anchor to the present moment. For the next few sips of breath, allow each in-breath to be a new beginning and each out-breath to be a letting go. Breathe in a new beginning. Breathe out a letting go. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes if they were closed, or lift your gaze and take a few moments to orient to the space around you. By honing our awareness of our listening habits, we come to realize that our primary task in any interaction is to truly embrace the role of a listener with curiosity and unwavering focus. Through consistent practice and with intention, we can create a space for more compassionate understanding of the world around us. Imagine, for a moment, the possibilities that arise when we set aside our personal agendas and remain receptive to the perspectives of others, focusing on what unites us rather than what divides us. My hope is that you will keep in mind that in meditation, perfection is not the goal. We meditate to meet the present moment just as it is, with greater awareness, insight, and compassion. Thank you for your practice.